Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Sarkar ubadai khmi ekatanan Arts and Culture ha jela ba polling do ulapan payo ka jing Sngewkmen halor ka jing pentep balayo baka Ktien Khasi kala sha Pynrung nang ha ka Thup jong ki lai pupra Tylli ki Jait Ktien habakren bakilat pathai khubor ha ka janmi jokan ritorik urisaw arajar ar pulai uba pol lapan paru e ka jing Sngewkmen baka Sarkar pedeng kan sara e ka anro halor ka Ktien Khasi ha ka dor bar ka bansalong.
Well, the state government has done all that is possible, all that was doable. And in fact, in a major landmark development, we have also parted with land. Land of the size of 5,040 square feet at the Tribal Research Institute belonging to the Department of Arts and Culture. This land has now been parted and gifted to the Khasi Authors Society in order to facilitate the society to function from one center, and it can have its administrative block, it can have its library and other facilities that would equip it in further pursuing the matter with the government of India. Apart from that, I'm also happy to share with you that information that has reached us is that there are 38 new languages under active consideration by the government of India, and out of these 38 languages, Khasi language is also in that list. We have already had an official delegation led by the Chief Minister, and this delegation had met both the Prime Minister and the Home Minister of the country, as well as the Minister in charge in the Department of Donor for pursuing of this matter. We are now confident that a bill will be introduced, and as you will have seen, the seminar held at Delhi, followed by the sit-in demonstration, saw a historic participation of almost all political parties, a number of NGOs, apart from scholars and students of both Nehru and universities in Delhi.
But Garo language is not included in the list of 38 languages.
I'm yet to see the list. But since the KAS is only confined to Khasi language, this information was shared with me.
But state government, in fact, was raising voice. Even you were there in the protest. It's demand leading the inclusion of Khasi language. So why nothing was said regarding Garo language? Because you are a cabinet minister.
See, we were part of a program organized by the Khasi Authors Society. If a similar program is organized by Garo authors and they invite us, we will certainly join them.